In this process, I would also like to state that there have been some elected members who have been openly criticizing and not really promoting the vaccination program. And I would like to say that being elected members, we have a responsibility. We have a responsibility to ensure that our people are protected. And as members, we do our research. The entire world does its research. Evidence is very clear that vaccination is saving lives. So I would urge these members who are unnecessarily creating confusion among the people that please act responsibly. If you are irresponsible and if you are not taking interest in saving people's lives, then at least don't say anything that's going to discourage people from taking this vaccine. So therefore, vaccination is absolutely necessary, and I urge all elected members to participate, take your vaccination, all the health workers to take their vaccination, and we are moving forward very aggressively. Our numbers are almost touching 8 lakhs now, number of vaccines. We have, from the eligible group, we have almost about 34% who have already taken the vaccination. So those numbers in the months to come and weeks to come is going to go up.